One step forward, one step back. That's the nature of trading. Stay tuned, we'll talk about that next. G'day traders, I'm Stacy Burke from Stacy Burke Trading. Today just talking about one step forward and one step back. I started the month off of April pretty strongly and made some good trades, made some errors in judgment and trading, sort of self-corrected on that, had a few more good trades, had a few trades where I was in the money that came back and stopped me out at break even. Then I had a few losing trades. And so I basically ended up the month where I started. And that's frustrating, but at the same time, it's also the nature of trading. And trading is, it's the ongoing journey. It's the ongoing struggle that frustrates a lot of people and forces them to end up engaging in emotional behavior, impulsive, irrational trading, anger trading. And so one of the things I've really sort of worked on while I was up in Bali was just, process. And as I talked about earlier, I'm really still working on getting my trading to end of day. I love the hourly charts, but I also recognize where there's some fallibility with not only my own mistakes, because of the time frame, and also the time frame, it's hard to narrow it down to just a short little window, because of course there's a few critical time frames for me in Perth, being the Asia close, the London Open, and the New York Open. So that engages 5 to 6 hours over that time frame, where I need to sort of pay attention, even if it's every hour, to checking if there's a signal there. Whereas with the end of day, obviously, Perth, the rollover for 5 p.m. New York is 5 a.m. Perth time, which is perfect for me. I'm a morning person. I can get up, review charts. There's easily an hour of time, probably before there's much movement. Not all the time. There can be some movement right away, but often there's a couple of hours in the pre-market, pre-Asia, where the market really doesn't do much, and you can pretty much place your orders, even if it's at market, and get a close enough fill that it would, be the same as if you just went in at the close. So really trying to hone that down. And the main reason is it gives me an opportunity to follow multiple markets and be just locked into that 1 hour a day where I can review the charts. But obviously you're reviewing them throughout the day, doing your analysis, reviewing your strategy in terms of how that analysis will play out. And I'd really like to, move in that direction, because I found that, again, one step forward, one step back. Sometimes patience is an issue. As much as I really focus on mindset and discipline and sticking to the system, it's just what the allure of the market. You're always going to get challenged. The market doesn't have to do much. It just has to mess with your mind, and it only has to mess with your mind a few times for you to do damage to your trading account. And as I've said before, it's an ongoing journey. Trading is trading mastery is a lifelong journey in terms of mastering the process. The only thing you can control is your trading process. And in the meantime, don't blow yourself up. Manage the risk, become a great loser. With my end-of-day strategy, what I'm really focusing on is just the order placement and the stop-loss management. And the great thing about that is that once they're placed, the next challenge that I've set the bar for myself is to not check the market until the next morning. Not all traders agree with that, but that's just what I'm trying to get myself to right now. I believe that the real rewards are in the longer time frames. It's very similar to how I trade the hourly charts with breakouts, and I think the same patterns apply to the end-of-day charts. So in this little crossover time, I've had some challenges. It's been frustrating. I've missed some good trades on the hourly charts as well. But again, that's the nature of trading, and I welcome the challenge. I love the markets. My main focus is to be continuously a great loser. And again, how can I lose less on my losing trades? How can I profit more on my winning trades. So keep asking yourself, what have I done well? What could I do better? Where is there room for improvement? And what other trading ideas are there that I could possibly master? So next, hopefully, when we talk about taking progress steps, it'll be 2 steps ahead and 1 step back, traders. So far for the year, still in the mini account has grown. It was up 400%, and I know I don't like to talk about percentages or capital growth or anything else, but that account's now down 25% from its peak. It's still up for the year, and hopefully by the year end, I have a target that that I've set for myself, and I'll talk about that at the end of the year, depending on where I end up. I'm still going to talk about it, but hopefully if I hit that target, that will really, I think, be something that will help traders. So focus on progress. It's the trading process. The only things you can control are your edge, your mental ability to, follow the process flawlessly, and managing your capital. So the 3 M's: money management, mindset, and methodology, traders. It's Sunday, Monday morning tomorrow. Markets will be opened up probably within 12 hours. And have a great trading week. Stay disciplined, stay focused. Work on one thing this week that you want to get better at. And, worst case scenario, look for one great trade. Thanks, traders.
Hi, traders. It's Stacy Burke from Stacy Burke Trading. If you haven't done so, please head over to my website at stacyburketrading.com. I create updates on almost a daily basis, and I would love for you to receive them. Just click on the blog. If you want to enter your name and your email address, I'll send you my free audio program, The 7-Step Daily Routine for High-Performance Traders. This is essential knowledge for all traders in all markets, and this is for helping traders to master the market with discipline, confidence, and a winning mindset. I appreciate all your feedback and comments. As always, traders, stay disciplined, and may the markets go with you.